Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to replace the battery in your Poly SY20 Bluetooth speaker. Let's get started. First, use a pry tool to remove the fabric cover. Then use a Phillips head PH1 screwdriver to loosen all the screws. Remove the control panel and loosen the remaining screw. Use a pry tool to lift off the back cover. Take out the old battery and replace it with the Cameron Sino CS-PRY200XL battery. Put the back cover back on and secure its screw. Then reassemble the control panel and fabric cover. And that's it. You have successfully replaced the battery in your Poly SY20 Bluetooth speaker.
Battery high. Power off.
Thank you for watching.